Hey, wait. What is in my bag? I've got a bag here and I don't know what's inside of it. I wonder. Oh, it's the cat. It's the kitty cat. I did not put him in here. He ran inside and I decided to pick up the bag and carry him around. Kitty. Okay, let's bring you back into the kitchen. Yes, ma'am. Sir, we have your fresh cat meat right here. It's ready to be cooked. Oh wait. Oopsies. It's not dead yet. And he's still in the bag. Even after I put him. Oh. Thor, what are you doing? Mom, Thor really loves that bag. He doesn't seem to want to leave. Oh. You should see Thor, kitty. Mom. Mmm, delicious. Cinnamon roll yogurt. Dad's watching Ghost Adventures. I don't know, but my dad has been very into ghost shows lately. I do not know why. Do you know why, Mom? Thor, crazy cat. Mom, why do you work so late? Oh, there's Toon. Well, hey there, guys. What are you doing? Oh, I think Thor was just about to go into the bag, but then he smelled something. Now, what do we have here, Mom? What is this?
I don't know, but I need a little bit of downtime, so...
Is that meringue? Looks like it, no. Dad, what is this stuff again? On the stove.
It's cobbler.
Raspberry. Thor, this is so crazy. Mom's chopping up some fruit and look at that, look there. Yeah, a lot of the time. Thor, what are you doing? Thor, what are you doing? What the heck are you doing, Thor? Thor, get down from there this instant. He's waving his tail back and forth. Let's see what he does. Oh. There he is. Mom, I'm telling you, this cat's quick. He jumped down from the chair, all the very back chair, and then in a matter of a second, he was already onto the chair that was like right over here. Oh, looky there. Thor! Hey, what's this? I don't know. Oh, it's a kitty cat. My room is messy, guys. Oh, I just almost chipped my cord there. Who's crazy, Mom? Really? Oh my gosh. This is like Thor TV right here. He thinks that bag is like hey, don't attack my foot. Oh, what's been going on? Everyone's been loving Thor, or paying attention to him at least. I had some cup of noodles. What? Clean up, you're so dirty, Tin. You're so dirty. Oh, I don't think Tin likes that. He might. Oh, from in there, I thought that said Best Buy brand mayonnaise. I'm like, Best Buy has mayonnaise? And he's just sitting in that back like it's like the most comfortable like chair in the world. Hey guys, look at my comfy, awesome throne, you guys. Oh, awesome. It's so awesome, you guys. Oh, back into the bag. It's bag wrestling. Roar.
Get out of the floor.
That wasn't that. Don't blame that. Don't blame Tin for that. That was you. You ran into the trash can. That was not Tin's fault.
Ryan.
I'm standing up for my dog's right, Dad. Gosh. You know, you're just like Dad. You always blame Tin. Except Dad blames me for everything. Like when the PlayStation 3 isn't working, he's like, Ryan, what did you do? The PlayStation 3 isn't working. It's all your fault.
Okay, Ryan, let's have a downers time. I need a little bit of peace. I need to work really hard today.
God. Thor, I think there's something wrong with this cat. Peekaboo. I see you. So my sister is gone right now recently. She's gone for 2 weeks, so pretty much I'm an only child for the next couple of weeks. Only child. Well, I have my sister, 25, but she lives like in some other city. Don't know why I'm talking like this. I just feel like it. So yeah, maybe if you can tell, Issa and Emma aren't always with me. They're just my nieces, so I just thought that'd be a pretty good day to start a vlog. You know, start up vlogs with my baby nieces. Tenor winner. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tenor winner? Oh, ow! Don't scratch me. Ow! He scratched me. Oh. What was that? The cat is still in the bag, Mom. Hey, Tin, no, don't.
When you still have it look as if it did. As if they just...
Scary. Dad, don't put your bowl on top of the movie that we are renting from Safeway or something. It's a red box. What is this from again? This is like from Safeway? It's Astro Boy. I might watch it. You know, my dad wants to watch it, so he might. But my love...
I'm gonna watch it. Tell me so I can take it back tomorrow.
Okay. Let's see if he's still in there, you guys. Yep, he's still in there. This, I bet.
Take pictures with me.
I bet he's gonna be like. I bet this is gonna be like his new bed. He's just gonna like find the bag and just gonna sleep in the bed. Let's just hope he doesn't shed in it, all right? Don't shed in the bag.
This is a place that's probably...
Look at this!
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Where are you, Thor? Thor! You want to attack? Attack! So yeah, I'm wearing my glasses because I was gonna go play my Wii. But then I was like, hey, look, Thor's being all cute and stuff. I might as well just record it and do it for the vlog. Yeah, so as you can tell, it's not a daily one. But I do not care. Because my life's pretty normal. I just go to school, come home, and do pretty much nothing really. But tomorrow's my last day of school, and then it's spring break! Alright, well that's an end. I'm running out of time. See you guys. Bye.